Good day everyone, today is November 28th. Our daily devotion is subtitled Active Listening. Our reference is James 1:19. Says, my dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick and listen, slow to speak and slow to become angry. So this verse tells us that we should listen. We should listen carefully and think what we are about to say. Also, be mindful and be understanding. Do not become angry at anything that have happened in your life. For our teaching, active listening enhances leadership influence. If we listen, it means we are a good leader. If we listen to our subordinate, we are good leaders because we are hearing their thoughts. Because we are not in their position where they see through what we haven't seen. Because being listen to them enhance our influence because they know for the fact that you are hearing or you are listening to what they've said and what they are concerned of too. Parents should be quick to listen and slow to speak. So the parents, um, being a parent is hard, although, but having a child that are not really mindful that kids kids are hard to understand. That's why parents should quick to listen to what they have said, slow to speak so that they don't have miscommunication, and so to become angry so that they can go through to whatever things or whatever problem that they have faced. Children must listen to advice and accept discipline. As children, we should listen to what our parents said because it was for our own safety. And we must accept any discipline that they are giving us because it is a way for us to learn from our mistake. Application. Seek to understand before you implement. We must first understand things before we go through and said things that are unnecessary and hurtful to others. We must be mindful to what we've said and think clearly to what they have to say. Manage and control your anger. Must manage our anger so that it will not be out of control. Must manage it so that no person can be affected on our angriness. Therefore, we should control our anger because anger would not lead to peace as it isn't grow and wisdom. We must listen so that we will have this new insight, new perspective in our life that will give us wisdom. Wisdom is through experience, and through that experience, you will learn